Now let's see another type of heterotrophic nutrition by plants. Okay, so next one is insectivorous plant. You can see some plants with they cannot get their food, so they will trap the insect and they will digest it. Okay, so there are different types of plants. They will trap the insect and with the help of enzymes and some chemicals they will digest and it will absorb to its body. So some of the examples of insectivorous plants are, one is picture plant. Picture means this picture meaning is that jug shape. It will be jug shape and when it will be colorful. When some insect will come near, this is the insect, when it will come near to that plant, it will go inside that. They will think that something juice will be there inside that. They will go inside that time. This lid will close. So this insect cannot come back. Okay, so inside this maybe some jelly like substance will be there and some enzymes, chemicals will be there that will digest the insect and these nutrients will be absorbed into the plant's body. So this type of plants are known as the insectivorous plants. Okay, this example is picture plant. Picture means the jug shape. Okay, one another example is, this is one example, picture plant. Next example is Venus trap fly. Venus trap fly trap. Venus fly trap plant. It is like actually like this. It will be like this. When an insect is coming inside, it will close it. So insect cannot go back. Okay, that is known as the Venus fly trap. Okay, so it will be red color or green attractive color. When the insect will come, it will close it. So after that, inside it some sticky chemicals, enzymes will be there. It will digest and these nutrients will be absorbed into plant's body. Another example is Drosera. That is Drosera. Drosera, it contain some jelly like, it will be like this shape and here and all some jelly like substance will be there. So if any insect is coming to this plant, it will be sticked on it and they cannot go back. So gradually that will be decayed and all the nutrients will be absorbed into plant's body. So that these are the three examples for insectivorous plant. One is picture plant. The picture means the jug shape. When the insect is going inside, it will be digested and it will be absorbed. Second one is Venus fly trap. Venus fly trap. Okay, third one is Drosera. I hope it is clear to you.
Now we will see some insectivorous plants. Now we are seeing Venus trap fly plant. So let's see how it is trapping the insect and digesting it. So you can see the open condition. After that, when the insect come inside that plant, it will sense it, and after that it will close and trap the insect inside. When it is closed, after that it will not open for 2 to 3 days. After that it will digest it with the help of some enzymes. After that again that plant will open. So when the prey means insects come in contact with this Venus flytrap, some hair, small hair is there that will sense it, and it will automatically close. So the insect will get trapped inside and it will digest it, and the nutrients will be absorbed into the plant's body. Again it will open for to capture next prey. So this is Venus flytrap. So now we are seeing next insectivorous plant, that is Drosera. So you can see some dewdrops like that structure. Actually, that is some jelly, sticky substance. When the insect come and sit on that, it will be stick on that and it will trap the insect and it will digest the insect and it will take the nutrients inside. Once it is stick to that, they cannot go back. So gradually it will trap. Next we will see another insectivorous plant, that is pitcher plant or Nepenthes. So I told you it is like a jug like structure. So inside that some jelly like substance will be there. So let's see how it is happening. So that insect came and it fell inside that Nepenthes plant, and inside that you can see some jelly like substances. It will digest the insect and finally it will be absorbed inside.